Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be hair and makeup. I'm really gonna be doing my makeup more in this video because I have tons of hair videos. I have tons of videos of me putting on wigs, plucking wigs, and everything like that. So I do show y'all a little bit of the wig process, but I did want to come with like just a natural makeup look or whatever. The look I was going for, you can't really see it. You can't really see it because I put these big lashes on. But anyway, it's just like a natural everyday B, and then I added a red lip. I didn't want to do a gloss, but yeah, I hope you guys love it. And I really don't know what this hair is supposed to give, but I guess it's giving what, you know, I guess it's doing what it's supposed to do or whatever. This hair is from Amazon, so around period. So yeah, if you're here for the makeup, then just keep watching. If you're here for the hair, keep watching. If you're for both, keep watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and check the description box for all the details on the hair and my social medias. And yeah, just keep watching and follow, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my hand, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden bills. Bags full of $100 bills. I can pass your wife if she get chills. All because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby.
So for foundations, I'm going to mix the Anastasia with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I've never done this combo before, so I don't know how it's gonna work, but I have a hard time finding my perfect foundation shade. So yeah, I really don't. I just be yeah, I just be trying combinations. So I did 2 of this because it's darker, and then I'm gonna do, what done happened, baby? It done came open. I don't know what's going on with my foundation. It was a pump, but I'm just mix it in that, which I got too much now. Ciao. And we're gonna put this on and see if it's a match. If not, it's just gonna have to do today. We'll make it blend some kind of way. What y'all think? So I guess I need to go through and clean out my makeup because it just looks disgusting. But for concealer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible. This is in the shade 415 Honey. And then I have a lighter shade by Milani Conceal and Perfect. It's 165 deep tan. My eyes are burning. So I like a bright under eye. I'm getting back into that. So, ooh, this ain't dark enough. It's not dark enough. It's not dark enough. At least not on camera. What you doing back here? What is wrong with my makeup? Like, everything is falling apart. Oh my goodness. I really need to buy duplicate brushes because a lot of my, like, it'd be a while before I clean my brushes. Yeah. Okay. And they just be nasty, disgusting, and I don't like that. I need to clean them. So I'm gonna start by bringing my concealer out from the bottom and then blend up. And of course we don't want to leave that, so I'm gonna go in with my excess foundation on my foundation brush and like brush out the edges so it blends and doesn't leave a harsh line. Period. What you doing back there? There we go. There we go. This area is bright, so I want to do something with the chin. So to set, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. She has never let me down, no matter what other concealer, setting powders I have used. Laura has never let me down. So I'm going to press in some concealer, setting powder, and set all these areas. Look at these brows, they perfect, period. And then we're gonna bake a little bit, especially underneath here, because baby, I will crease. Okay, under here. So I'm gonna set Laura to the side, and I'm gonna grab my good friend. Just look, just look at it, just look. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my good friend Black Radiance, and we're gonna use the Sculpt, the color right here. And I'm gonna take my Morphe M580 contour brush, just dip it in there because honey, it be. So I'm gonna throw in some lashes, and then I'm gonna be right back.
𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽 𝓒𝓸𝓭𝓮𝓼. Fly you out the breeze, full speed, so full of belly. On me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the breeze, full speed, so full of belly. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide, who you think you should reside with? I've been quiet, all the miss
Alright, y'all, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please let me know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I upload a new video. I think that's it. Yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video.